Alright guys, chest day, best day. And today we're gonna grill some double D's. It's mainly just gonna be me. I know Javian's recording, but he's a little bit constipated. But yeah, chest day, best day. If I'm feeling good, we're gonna try PR 160, maybe even more. We're gonna grow some wings and get some double D's. Let's get into this chest workout, baby.
Ela já tá louca, embrasada, ela aqui que ela desce, travam tu na embrasada, ela aqui que ela desce, travam tu na
Guys, depends how this 45 is feeling. If the 45 is feeling good, we're gonna try 160. Put it, yeah, 135. If it feels good, we go to 160. If it doesn't feel good, I'm just gonna stay on 135. But yeah, let's get into this.
Got it. Let's go.
PR, oh my.
Ela já tá louca, embrasada. Vai tomar em alto mato. Em alto vai. Ela já tá.
Guys, I still can't believe I hit the PR. Dips are, dip method works. That's incline bench. That's how you get them double D's. But the dips help out so much.
Ela já tá louca, embrasada.
Why do you do abs? Bro, we're doing chest and back, and this guy wants to do abs. Bro, you know, if you work out your abs, you're just gonna get bigger. When you micro tear muscles, it gets bigger. So you're basically getting your abs bigger.
Well, look,
And that means your abdominal is getting bigger. It's gonna make you look bigger. You have to lose the fat, Javian. You have to lose the fat.
No, I'm bulking, bro. Stop the.
You're fat,
The
Javian.
bulk never ends. Remember?
You're fat. That's for me.
The bulk never ends.
Yeah, you should listen to me.
The cut
I
always
bench.
never happen.
I bench 25 pounds more than my body weight. You don't even bench your body weight. You have to listen to me, Javian.
Well,
You have to listen to me.
you bench 25 times your body. You say that?
25 pounds.
Oh.
Javian, come on, bro. We gotta do better. We gotta do better, bro. Guys, if you want to get a wide back, grow some wings, be classified as an airplane, you better listen to me. Yes, I know I may not be big, but you better listen to me. I have the best back workout to get big wings. Trust me. What you want to do... Like, are you being for real right now? You're gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it. Oh my God. If you want to listen to me, you want to do T-bar rows. Absolute cheat code for that upper back and a little bit of those lats. Be quiet. You don't have wings. What you also want to do is rows. Trust me. I know lat pull downs, that's what everybody does. But what you want to do is you want to do narrow cable. You want to do narrow rows. But instead of just bringing it to your chest, you want to drag it. Trust me. I'm a little bit of a science-based lifter. Oh yeah, also yeah, take your creatine too. Like, bro, what is this guy doing? But yeah, listen. Sometimes you gotta listen to Jeff Nipper. Trust me. Get the narrow grip for rows, but instead of pulling it, you drag it to the ground. You act like you're dragging it on the ground. And you don't want to bring it past your shoulders. Another thing you want to do, for other variation, wide grip rows. Get the wide grip, because it's going to target like your mid back, a little bit of your upper back. But trust me, get those wings, T-bar rows, and narrow rows, dragging rows. Trust me, you'll feel it. Now let's get into this T-bar rows, my favorite back exercise. Trust me, scars, y'all better listen to them. Trust, y'all better listen.
Ela já tá louca, embraçada. 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 Abandona a ela já tá louca, embraçada. Abandona a Ela já tá louca, embraçada.
Mashed potatoes. We got the air fryer for the chicken to get all the good eats. And then we got rice. Sweet. We eat good. Got my creatine in, glutamine in for the recovery. Yeah. So yeah, we eat good gains.